From a disease standpoint, in our soybean crops, we follow an integrated pest management strategy, and by that it means we scout our fields on a weekly basis to see what is going on in the fields. Now, combined with that, we'll use a lot of resources through the universities, and with that, some of the different indicators if there's possibly a chance of disease being present. But we'll go out, we'll scout the fields, and if we see a disease, we'll try and identify it and then decide, is it at an economic threshold? If it's reached that threshold, we will make a fungicide application. A lot of folks like to do fungicide more as a preventative or even as a plant health mechanism. That is something we haven't done as much. However, there have been some studies shown where there are benefits. But again, with our integrated pest management, we regularly are watching our fields to know what's going on, and we'll apply those fungicides as needed to try and either prevent the risk of a disease coming in if the conditions are right, or to fight a disease if we happen to see that, and that seems to work well on our farm.